Frakas, more fire, fuka fuka. Yes, so We4We TV, we are up in here. Yeah, I just want to be thankful once again to the organizers of the Igbo Indigenous Award for honoring me with the Indigenous Entertainment Pioneer Award. I appreciate that. Thanks again. Now, let me say this to everyone. I would like all of us for our talent and our income to speak for itself. And the best way to make our talent and our income speak for itself is for us to combine that with service to humanity. When you let your talent and your income serve humanity, there's a special feeling attached to that. Wherever you are, whatever you do, whenever you wake up, do something nice for somebody somewhere. Let us all come together and build a better society. Let us serve, and serve. Ndewono.